All right, folks, we got a big problem here in our new garage space with water leaking off of the vehicle here during winter time. I've had to throw down some old t-shirts real quick to catch all the water. We've had an issue with water here kind of running back up over here, and I had to turn this big fan on to try to dry it out. Well, we got a solution for that, so let's take a look. I've been using AutoFloorGuard now for years in different spaces, and we're about to deploy a new one where that car is parked, but this is an example of one that I've used. There's several others that I'm using elsewhere, and this has done a wonderful job. This one here is years old now, and it's done a wonderful job with the Kubota here, especially snow plowing and all that stuff. Anytime there's a lot of water, snow, mud, all that, basically this is kind of a drip pad here. It's held up super well over the years, and also too, anytime it starts to get too dirty like right now, as soon as I get a chance, I'll pull it out into the driveway and go ahead and hit it with the pressure washer, clean it again, and then put it back in the building. But you can see it does a fabulous job of keeping all that water, dirt, and all the other garbage contained on this mat. And it's been very durable. So let's go ahead and get the new one out of the box for the car. All right, folks, so here's what it looks like in the box. Looks like there is a squeegee that comes with it, with a handle. I don't anticipate using this. Like I said, I just wash mine off. You can either do it with a garden hose or a pressure washer. The other thing is it looks like it comes with like some sort of sticky pads or something. Yeah, looks like some sort of sticky pads for the floor. I've never used these for any of the mats, any of the AutoFloorGuard mats. I just put the mat down and I don't stick it to the garage floor. I've never had an issue with them really moving or anything when I'm pulling in and out on them. So you can use these if you want. For me, I don't use them. I like the ability to actually be able to pull the mat out and wash it off, which I do frequently, so up to you. And then here we have it in the plastic wrap right here. We'll go ahead and get this out of the wrap. Folks, so we went ahead and pulled it out of the box right here. And the next thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and do a good scrub-a-dub-dub on the concrete floor. Get it all nice and clean, and then we'll get this all unraveled and get it out on the floor and get it deployed. All right, folks, so it's time to wrap up this review. We've had this AutoFloorGuard now down for a couple of weeks, and it's already doing a great job of keeping water from running out underneath the wall and all of that. And it's been already through a couple of rainstorms, snowstorms, and it's trapped all the water and mud, so it's been pretty handy for that. This is the 5th AutoFloorGuard that I've bought, and they just do a wonderful job keeping all the dirt and muck contained. Once this gets too dirty in the spring, just bring it out and give it a good pressure wash and get all the dirt off of it and just pull it back into the building, and we're good to go. But yep, wonderful piece of kit, and it just does a phenomenal job.